Okay, here we go. Strapped in.
That thing is cool.
Okay, let's see if we can, I'm gonna get out here and film. See if we can get those inlets. There they are! We got them! Flying the LED, that's right. Okay, I gotta come in slow so I don't hit myself. Is the cage open with the band-aids? Yes, sir. There they are.
Time remaining 3 minutes. Off, on, off, on. Off, on.
Okay, I got them flashing. Okay, now they're flashing. Okay, another slow pass it with flashing. Okay, everybody's flashing now.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Yeah, that should get it on GoPro.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Yeah, it's when you go full blast now with the DrMadThrust, you lose elevator authority at wide open. So there's nothing more to gain with anything faster. Anyway, I'm stoked. Very happy with the plane and very excited. Okay, this time I'm gonna do a close-in landing, fellas. Yep, I like it.